Come in this quick tutorial, we are going to show you TikTok not change phone number how to fix. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Open the TikTok app, click on Profile, click on three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Account and Account Information. You can change your number here. If you are facing problem, then you can go back and click on three lines like Settings and Privacy. Clear firstly, free up space. If still you are having this problem, it means that the number you are adding in your TikTok profile is incorrect. If that is correct, it means that you have already a TikTok account on that number, because on one number there is one TikTok account is allowed. If you are facing the problem still, then you have to report problem to the TikTok team that I want to change my number here, but I am facing problem. Resolve this, and they will show you notification, and clicking on this you can change number. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.